So, what I wanted to do today is to kind of go through the colors, and I've arranged them from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and there should be two colors of purple, but kind of purple is just purple. Indigo and violet, they have it here in indigo and violet. I also wanted to show that we have this frog right here. And you want to actually look at nature as if it's nature. Nature is probably the most important thing to see all of these. So what you can see is green is the middle, okay? And as you go up, you go to blue, and then you'll go indigo, which is more of a blue color, and then violet, which is more of a red color. And that's where you even go into this right here. And then it goes all the way back over again to orange, which is over here from red. You know, after you went back, it circles around from that indigo to red, and then to orange, and then yellow, and then green, which means that this is a circle. So if you look, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, we'll consider those the same. It is very much in nature. I'm going to show you another one where we actually have if you look at this, right here, you can see the green and the magenta. All right? So the green and the magenta are actually the same color because they're in the middle, and I'll show you where that goes from. That goes from this. If you look at this spectrum, this is the spectrum of all the colors on black. This is all the spectrum of the colors on white background. You'll see magenta, cyan, and yellow. But this is all of the colors from red to green to blue to purple, which is your indigo and violet. Notice that for the magenta, it is a mixture of the red and the violet. And green, which goes down here, is a mixture of that. It is actually perfectly done so that this right here is all of the colors. And as we can see, this one right here is all of the colors as you can see it. So, frogs and other insects and plants mimic these colors, and you're supposed to be able to understand them through that. If you actually look at the colors here on the spectrum wheel, you'll see that this is true. Violet is here and red is here, and when you mix those two together, you get that purple, which is magenta. That's the color you want. That's what they're talking about for purple. And that green mixes right in the middle, so it's like kind of in the middle as you can see it. And what's weird is that they equal each other. Both green and magenta are right in the middle. They're complementary, just like your cyan and your red and your yellow and your blue. So as you can see, and if you look at this, boom and boom, boom and boom, here and here, which is very interesting as far as that goes. I'd like to go into that further, but I'm just going to make a short little tape. I wanted to kind of show you how things exist as far as complements and not just the color, and that these things are something to be looked at that are very interesting, and I really like this. This has to do with Van Gogh and also Newton. Okay, so you have the two different theories that both of them have, which actually I gotta have on the last one. Has to be on this one right here. It's on this one. So this is Van Gogh. He said that there's both this one where it goes from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and this one that's on a dark background, this one on a light ground, light background, which is the blue, magenta, and yellow. And so there should be both of those considering how they are. All right. I think that's about it for this one. We'll go over more of that in another one. Thank you.